Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana obviously did also reach here my target area that I showed you many weeks ago. In fact, months ago, we have perfectly come into this between 30 and 55 US dollars. We've waited for it. Did it seem unrealistic? Yes, but the target area did stand, hit the target, now shown a strong reaction to the target area with a bullish candlestick formation here on the daily currently. The day isn't over yet, but this is currently a bullish engulfing candle. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we are now currently coming all the way up to that $55 level again. That is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. That is the level that basically defines this target area together with the 88.7% level down here below $30. I told you that should Solana drop below $30 and stay there for a while, it will possibly cause, well, I don't know, it's wrong wording. It will increase the risks that Solana will never recover. And we currently have that situation with many altcoins. It seems like today that the altcoins we have a bit of hope here for the altcoins, because we see a really good upside for many altcoins. We were very oversold. And therefore we are now see this counter reaction to the upside. Now, it now needs to be seen if this is just a corrective move up, or is this already the first impulse to the upside. And I showed you in the last video what we need to see here to get confirmation. And I will repeat that because there will be a lot of new viewers as well. So sorry if you've already heard this stuff, but it just is needed, And the same way that I repeat it all the time in every Solana video that we're going to get probably with a high likelihood to that $55 level, and maybe even to $30. I will now repeat many times what is so important for the reversal, so that you learn it, you hear it many times, and that many new people will hear about it as well, because I want to help people. I want to spread this word, what is so important, because a lot of people have burned their fingers, and we need to make sure that people understand what's going on out there. Bear in mind, this is never financial advice. It's only how I see the market. This is only based on probabilities and likelihoods, and unlikely events happen all the time in the world. And therefore, there is no 100% certainty. Technical analysis, and even here the Elliott wave method, is no license to print money, but it can give you a really good overview of the market. And I think what I really like to do in these videos and on this channel is really to communicate and to show that the Elliott wave method works. It has worked for all altcoins and Bitcoin that I do cover on this channel. We have hit target areas that we formulated back in November just by using the Elliott wave method and by using target levels that are based on this method. So it does work. And here I lost the internet connection for a moment, but it's working again. And I just want to show you. And what can we now do? And what is needed so that we can say with higher certainty that the low is already in? What we need to see now is a first 5-wave move up and the first 3-wave move down. You need to see in the trend direction 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where the waves 1, 3, and 5 move into the direction of the higher level trend. The waves 2 and 4 are correcting this movement. And then after that, this will become a wave 1. All of these 5 waves will become a first wave, which again will then build a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a higher level degree. This first movement here will be corrected in an A, B, C correction, the same way that this wave 1 was corrected in an A, B, C correction within this wave 2. And again, this larger ABC will also become a wave 2. And this is how it's all connected. And when we then make a higher low, this will show us that the low was already in. So therefore, there is usually not a reason to FOMO into these price increases, because usually, not always, but usually prices come back to that level and we get confirmation. The same way that we had this massive price increase here. This was, I think, 100%, where we moved up from 75 to 145%. And I've told you that if this is a first impulsive move, we're usually going to come down to the same level again. We did come down to the same level again, but we even dropped below it. Therefore, this was just a corrective move, an A, B, C. We missed the last 2 waves. We missed the wave 3 and the wave, we missed the wave 4 and the wave 5. It was only a corrective move, and we then went back into an impulsive move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So if we see this like that, 1, 2, 3, we could now be in the wave 4 to the upside, and the wave 5 might still be coming and really hit that $30 level. We currently see a lot of hope again in the market, and there is a relief, and I'm quite happy that the dust seems to have settled a little bit now, because it was hectic days in the last few days, yeah. But this could just be a little bit of a trap where we see another washout when there will be the real capitulation and the despair and everything, because I think a lot of people will go in now, will burn their fingers when we see another washout. But as I told you, anywhere in this area here, this could now be the low. The chart has done what it needs to do to complete the correction, and everybody who wants to buy into Solana, for example, from my point of view, this is the ideal level. But anybody who buys in now or in this green area needs to understand that lower levels are still possible. There is no guarantee that the $30 level holds. There is never a guarantee anyway. And that we could still be in a downtrend here, because we have not broken any significant levels that would tell us we are back in an uptrend. This would only happen above $55. This is the mid-video techno. Sorry. This is above $55 here, and this is the 78.6% level. Then we go to 75, next resistance. Better sign. If we get above that, already a good sign. If we get above 82, better sign. Then $122. That's the next major level. Yeah, but really we can't say that for sure yet. It is still very risky down here. But this is the area for anybody who wants to buy into Solana. My view is this is the best area. I've had buy orders trigger in this area, and again, this is not financial advice. It's only what I do. Everybody needs to manage their own risk. Everybody needs to understand that there is still a lot of risk in this market despite today's move. We've seen very red days, and it is natural that even on a way down, we see a corrective move up like this. Primary expectation for me is that we see another dip, but it's not guaranteed. We have done everything what I indicated, yeah. We've come into these target areas, and we're now waiting for the recovery, and it's all good. Yeah, it's all good. The price just should not drop below $30. That is what I hope it won't. I hope it will now break above 55. Would be great to see already the recovery. Technically, absolutely possible, but I still think we see one final washout. I think it was not just quite bad enough. So that's my view about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.